Blade of grass in a field of dreams. I'm a diamond amidst the cronies, if you know what I mean. The block too hot cause the world's still cold. They call it a market cause their souls being sold. Lack of academics, the level is epidemic, the treatment is symptomatic. We dealing with bastards and addicts, nothing up in their attic. Recollection is tragic, so it's hard to imagine. I'm a beautiful mess, feel like I'm in a pageant. They tote heavy metal, I pray I'm not a magnet. Black man thinking, please call off your dragnet. I spit it narcotic and controlling my substances. Don't say I'm doing lines, I'm just saying sentences. Swine flu, penmanship, sick as what with my gift. Hard to hold me down because I came to uplift. I was raised on welfare, government cheese, praying for a drought. I had high water genes. Single parent, oldest child, raised into poverty. Mama made it sweet when the outlook sourly. Taught me how to get it, even if the wage ain't hourly. Keep God first, always the policy. Put that on her casket, because her son out his basket, about to blow his gasket, transformed this tragic to the magic, coated in late flashes, truth burn like acid. I'm a slave to the rhythm, I promise to be a master. I see more bull than a matador. I'm the spook that sat by the door, plotting in the corridor, victim of excessive force. I could tell you more, but back to the business, allow me to plot the course. We went from we shall overcome to Section 8 breadcrumbs to homicide red rum. Informant must have said something. Consider this a ticket sign. You witnessing a wicked rhyme. Problem with the message. Hell yeah, they can get in line because they will protest the progress. Nonsense. We too polished for that garbage. Stop it. They're selling souls. That don't make this a market. I'm too unique. I'm starting to feel like a target. Brigadier General fraternizing with the sergeants. One and the same if we disregard the margins. Watch for the copies because they're covered in carbon. Hard to speak to the sheep because it's the message they're ignoring. Eyes wide shut, I hear these little babies snoring. But change gonna come whether you like it or not. Freedom, it ain't free, it might cost me my knot. Said the enemy is salty, starting to feel like Lot. Same thing got Biggie and Tupac shot. We supposed to move mountains, but we stuck on the rocks. Got some big shoes to fill, I double up on my socks. We on a shoestring budget and it's tied up in knots. Got a black president, yeah, his name is Barack. But if my freedom got the cost, you can give me a box. I'd rather walk it out with God. Call me Enoch.